Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the slime so you know what to fix. Is it brittle, rubbery, or crumbly? Once done, gather 1 tablespoon of warm water and 1 teaspoon of baby oil or unscented lotion. These rehydrate without breaking bonds. Make sure your surface is clean and your hands are washed. Begin with small additions to avoid over-softening. You'll add more only if needed. This first step restores pliability and prevents introducing contaminants that make slime worse. You rehydrate by adding a teaspoon of warm water directly to the slime and kneading for 30 to 60 seconds. This helps break minor crosslinks and restores flexibility. If the surface becomes sticky, add 1 to 2 drops of lotion or baby oil and knead until evenly absorbed. Once done, stretch and fold repeatedly so moisture distributes through the center rather than just the top. Make sure to pause and assess every minute. Slow, consistent kneading prevents tearing and preserves the slime's original bounce. You finish by kneading until the slime is smooth, elastic, and returns to a gentle snap when stretched. Test small pieces to confirm consistency. Once satisfied, store it in an airtight container with a small silica packet or a lightly damp paper towel to maintain humidity balance. Make sure to keep it away from heat. If the slime remains hard despite kneading, try the only reliable fix. Place it in a resealable bag with a barely damp cloth and let it sit overnight. This restores moisture slowly without overdoing it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.